Hello guys, my name is Victor. Wish you could see Zendesk Analytics without paying for Zendesk Explore. Let me show you a free alternative that takes less than a minute to set up. Click on Install button, choose your Zendesk Help Center, click Next. Okay, install application. The MonChart app runs directly inside Zendesk support. Just choose your metrics. For example, I'm going back to support part and choose metrics, and you can see all data appear just straight away, like ticket volume, CSAT resolution, first reply time, agent performance, priorities, channels, and so on and so forth. Just straight away. Okay. And what do you think about sharing this with your audience and creating just easy reports with that? For that, you should have Zendesk accounts and also MonChart account. And then you can go to your boards, choose your board, for example, add tiles, choose Zendesk, all of them, and you can add all of them directly. Turn off what you're not using, generate AI, and you easily can create reports about customer satisfactions, tickets, custom fields, and much more. Everything updates directly from your Zendesk data. Okay. How it works and how it looks like. Just click on publish, connect your free MonChart accounts once, like on your profile page here, connect or disconnect, and you can see all your data just straight away. And with MonCharts, your Zendesk reports becomes really powerful because you can update data, for example, every 24 hours, 12 hours, and you can see all analytics just in one place. Marketplace app is completely free. Feel free to install it just directly from here and start using. And if you'd like to use Zendesk with MonChart, please make sure that you have premium or trial version on your profile. Okay. Thank you. If you have any questions, please feel free, let me know. I will be more than happy to answer on all of them.